Okay, this is mostly for SunRay 109 owners. It's been asked in the forum, how do you lay out your kitchen? So I've taken out a lot of things I store in my kitchen to show what all I have. You see the kitchen cabinets are empty because the cabinets are empty because they're laid out on the picnic table behind me. So just looking at the kitchen, I have a fire extinguisher, a bag for holding plastic bags, a couple work lights on Velcro. They can be removed and kind of placed anywhere. Soap, bleach, sanitizer, pan coating. I have a box back there that holds there's matches, hot chocolate, popcorn, tea bags, silverware, utensils for cooking, and you see my pan and toaster. Three-door Dometic refrigerator, plenty for a week. My Greystone microwave has a little plate base that I put under my paper plates. You see I have paper plates by the paper towels there. There's a dispenser and a lid for covering plates when I'm microwaving to keep splatter down. But then over here on the picnic table down below, I put in the upper cabinets. I've got 4 days worth of clothes. Each day is packed into a separate cube. Bowl, can opener, bottle opener, hot mitt, knife sharpener. There's my trash bag that's on a little holder, folding saw. There's a basket that fits up in the upper cabinet that holds a lot of this stuff. And then on the table here, on the front left, is my bathroom supplies with toothbrush, razor, and all that. That is a drawer that slides in above the stove. Little crank up radio and light, AM FM weather band radio. There's a fan that works on battery or electric. Extra toilet paper, paper towels, bags, Ziploc bags, trash bags, cover for the picnic table, cups, pots and pans, bowls. They all nest together. There's some snacks, citronella candle, my tea kettle, which is silicone. It flattens out when you don't need it. Light, my Omni oven with baking mixes, blueberry brownie, cornbread, biscuit, and then these containers all fit in the lower cabinet, these 5 containers along the back that has various food items, soups, snacks. This kit here is my grill stuff. There's charcoal in a Ziploc bag, a Uco flat pack grill and fire pit, fire glove, extra propane. There's also kind of a miscellaneous box for repair items, toolkit that stays in the car that I have also. And that's about it.